Hello from my studio. This is my first video that is not a math tutorial. And I wanted to say hi to all of you out there, to this wonderful community we created over the last 7 months. It's been only 7 months and we're almost at 100,000 subscribers, which is insane. So thank you so much to everyone out there who subscribed to my channel. And I have a question to you regarding my videos, because I'm a little bit confused what I should do, so maybe you can help me. I usually start my videos with the phrase, "Hello, my lovelies." And this is a link to my German channel, because there I start my videos with "Hallo ihr Lieben," which translates to "Hello, my lovelies." So I thought it's a cute little thing, and I loved it, and it was something special, and I started my videos like that. And at the beginning, I got some comments from people, I don't love this, I don't like this phrase. And also people who are like, I won't watch any other video because of this phrase. And I was like, okay. But then there were more comments like that over time from people also saying, I won't show this video to my son, although he's at school and he could use this video and they are great. But this phrase has a weird vibe and I don't want this for him. And I was like, ooh. Okay, I don't want this, and maybe it's a translation thing. So maybe to the native speaker out there, is it a weird thing to say, "Hello, my lovelies," or could I say it in front of a class as well? So I changed it in my latest videos then to "Hello, friends." And then people from my community were like, what is going on? What happened to my lovelies? I love to be one of your lovelies. I want my lovelies back. And I was like, wow, okay. It was a special thing for my videos and I also loved it, but I don't want to have any weird vibe to this. So especially because I do math tutorials for children, especially. I have many other people on my channel as well, also retired people who are so proud, and they're like in the comments, I'm 74 and I watch your videos, which is great. So I love to have all these people on my channel. But yeah, I would like to ask you for some feedback to the phrase, what you would do, because I'm thinking to getting back to Hello, my lovelies again, because I loved it so much. But yeah, I'm curious what you think, so please let me know in the comments. I'm sending a big hug to all of you out there, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos, and I hope to get many, many ideas on the phrase, and yeah, I wish you all the best. Bye-bye.